Hi guys, today we have a basic unboxing of a SmallRig Mobile Video Cage and this. So I choked myself with something, and this is for iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, the box is actually sealed. I wasn't expecting this. So I bought this product from AliExpress. Only reason being is this product is no longer available on Amazon, and you can't really find it on eBay for 15 Pro, not 15 Pro Plus or Max. That's what it's called. So I was quite lucky to find it on AliExpress. This is the cage. It's meant to be SmallRig cage. Oh, what's that? Let's have a look. Okay, we have some bolts. Okay, let's put to one side. Simple packaging. Quickly to the menu. Okay, we have we have a lot of things here. So we got obviously the sockets for the handles, which is quick release sockets. We have the lens adapters and also the filter adapters, which are magnetic, I believe. Okay, so let's quickly unpackage this. Oh. Okay, that's that. And you've got some bolts in there. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Okay, so this is the cage. There's actually a rubber texture to it. This is the quick release button. Okay. Yeah, it looks okay. It looks like the real thing, to be fair. I can't seem to find any major discrepancies. I'll test on my iPhone. So I'm recording this with my iPhone SE. Let's see now. Okay, you just plug it in there, and don't know if I'm supposed to slot it. Let's see now. I think I'm supposed to slot it like this and then twist it. Sorry guys, just not really doing this every day, you see. So okay, so this is, oh, should it be here? Let's see, it might be here guys. Sorry, seems to be maybe here. Give it a go here and then we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's it. That looks more like it, doesn't it? Okay, the mechanism is quite simple, to be fair. We just twist it until it locks in and gets perpendicular. So I do have some magnetic lenses. This is a 67mm adapter, and I got some magnetic lenses from KNF Concepts. Let me just see which one to use. And I'll use this one, for example. Yeah, looks like a charm. An ND filter. This 67mm ND filter, ND8. Okay, non-variable. Yeah, but it looks like a charm. Solid enough. It's not going to go anyway. So actually, that's quite nice. So let's see if it fits my phone then. Let me take this ND filter for now, so we can see where we are. Take this off. Okay, can we detach this? I think you can. You can unscrew it actually to begin with. Yeah. Yeah, you can unscrew it if you need to. Okay, let's have a look now. So this is my phone. Locks it in place. Yeah, it seems solid enough. Okay, yeah. I had to press a bit harder to lock in. It wasn't really locked in. Yeah. And that's it, and you're off to the races, like they say. Let's see quickly. I believe I may have. Just trying to see if I've got it here or not. Can't find it now. I'll try with this handle. Here, guys. The only problem is these type of adapters are not going to work because the cage is a bit in the way, like. But I believe you can use. Okay, that's going to hold it like this. I believe you can use batteries for it. So the concept is to put the battery on here, wireless charge battery to charge it, and off you go. Let's put this on now. Sorry guys for the viewing angles, I'm just trying to work with what I've got. So I'm recording this on a very old iPhone SE model, so I can't really zoom out. Okay, so that's like that there. Now I'll put my ND filter and off we go. Yeah, and I even got a SmallRig handle. I'll take this away. Too many things now on display. I don't think it's good for the. So I got a SmallRig handle. So what I can do here, I can put this one on top, on the side. Well, this is maybe one of the drawbacks you see for the side. I can just about get to it. Obviously the lens is in the way. So really and truly this is like for adapters, like let me just offset tip it for, I don't know, bits and bobs, lights or microphones. But yeah, I can put the handle on, no problem. Yeah, so quite happy with it. It is what it says on the package. This is for iPhone 15 Pro. Again, I had to buy this from AliExpress because it wasn't available anyway. And it's exactly the same as what you can buy on Amazon. Now, unfortunately, this you can buy for AliExpress. I'll put the link for AliExpress. It's an affiliate link. This is again unsponsored video. These items are purchased by myself. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you didn't like it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care, have a good night. Bye.